Let's look at how the text grab AI tool works. So this is a graphic. Supposing I want to grab the text in this graphic, I will tap on it, click on effects, click on grab text. You wait for it to load. Now you can see that it has detached this text from the graphic itself. So this is how the grab text AI tool works. This also works for any picture that has text inside it and you want to grab the text. If you import a picture with text into your Canva and you want to grab the text from that picture or from that graphic, you just use the AI grab text tool and it's going to extract all the text in that graphic or picture. Then you can select the one you want and make use of it. So this is how the magic grab text AI tool works on Canva. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the notification icon, like and share this video and drop a comment. Thank you.